All right, so we're looking at the micros today, ES micro, and everything's looking very bearish. This is pre-market still. It is, but we still have a little over half hour before the opening, and it is the 4th of December, 2023. These are my trading notes. I did not take this trade earlier. This was a good sell-off right here below that low. But what I'm waiting for now is it definitely has shown that it's in a downtrend, and this 15-minute chart. What I'm looking for is a pullback to go up into this area, hopefully up to the 20, but doesn't always go up that high. Like right here, it just went up to the 8. So that is what I'm looking for. Everything is in line for it to sell off again, but maybe wait till the opening. It may turn around and just go right back up. So I'll come back and if something like that happens here. Okay, so I'm back. I did wait till after the opening. I missed a good trade this morning. I think I mentioned it earlier. It's been a few minutes since I was in here. So like I said, these videos are from my trading notes. So this is something I can go back and check. But I was definitely bearish today because this is the VWAP, the purple line, and everything was just going down. So I waited for it to start back up after the opening right in here. And when it got up in here and started hesitating and started kind of curling around, this is the 200 moving average right here. And the red's the 20, the 8 is the 8, I believe, or 9, 9 moving average. And I put a sell stop below this low right here because the book map, I was watching that, and it was looking like it was definitely going to go into bearish mode too to follow along with this. So, and this is the 15-minute chart right here. So I got in short right here at 72.25. I sold 3 short. I covered 2 of them, or covered one of them at 66. And then let's see, the other one, the other two, I moved my stop up and I got stopped out at 71.25. So I was up just a little bit. Then, and like I said, this is a micro. I went and walked my dog, came back, and I noticed this was hovering in here really bearish. And so I put a sell stop below this low right here. I got filled at 66 and a quarter. And I only had 2 I thought I had 3 contracts on, but I only had 2. And so I covered right here at 59 and a quarter. I originally had my order in at 58 and a half, but when it came down and hit 59, I think it was, or right in that area, I just went ahead and took profit. So I'm done for the day, $107 for the day. And these, like I said, these are micros. Kind of my strategy I'm looking at right now is to get more uh, uh, accounts. I have 3 already. I have 3 accounts. So Apex Trader, Apex Traded Trading Funded Trader. Uh, they allow you to have up to 20 accounts at one time, and that's my goal. Right now, I only have 3. So, and if they have a trade copier that when you trade your accounts or you trade one account, it multiplies by how many accounts you have. So if you make $100 right here on these micros without, I mean, there was not much stress in this trade today, either one of these trades, trading 3 contracts on the micro. But if you have 20 accounts, well, then you just 20 times 100 is $2,000. So without even thinking about it, because you're focusing the emotional value right there is you're focusing on these small numbers, but then you multiply it by 20, you know, you have a pretty darn good day. So that's kind of what I'm working towards, folks. I don't know if I'll get there or not. I'm going to try. Just keep on pushing. But right now, these last few days, I've had some really good success. I've been staying out of the market till I really feel that I'm going to be on the right side of the trade and not try to stay too long. But I haven't had a loss in the last few days. So, and that's with Bookmap and using the cumulative volume delta. because it's very negative right now. So anyway, that's where it stands. I am most likely done for the day. The only way I could, I don't know. I don't see any reason to come back and trade anymore today. But if I do, I'll leave this. I'll pause it, and if I see some more trades come in and I get back in, I'll video them and put them in this video. So I'll probably be back. All right, so I just want to wrap this up. I did take another trade today. I got short right in here and covered right in here, and it was getting, well, yeah, that was I I thought about getting long here and I did not, but here I did take a little bit of profit out, and it was just another account that I have in. I have 3 accounts right now with Apex. I think I mentioned that earlier. And so I just went ahead and took that, and it was very minimal, minimal gain and loss. There was very little risk, I should say. So I got in below this low and had my stop up above this high, and got out down in here. So all in all, it was. Oh, wait a minute, no, I take that back. That was the wrong one. It was here. I got short here with this crossover turn. It looked like it was going to go on down, and things were just showing that it wasn't. They didn't have enough push to go keep going down. So I got out in the I think it was in the 68 region or wherever, and got in the 70, whatever that is, 73. So all in all, it was a good day. All my trades were winners. I hope you had a good trading day yourself, and we will see you in the next video. So hope you tune in. And oh, by the way, this company Apex, I've dealt with Top Step Trader and all this other, I've dealt with a few of them, and Apex has this kind of crazy thing, and you probably seen videos on it where they if you go too far and then you start pulling back, well, that goes against you in your I don't know how to explain it right now. I'll have to make a video to show it. It's kind of screwy, I think, but it makes you take profit pretty quick too. So what I like about Apex is they run these specials, and I've been doing them 90% off. So some of my accounts are only costing like $15, $16 because I get the small account. I get the $25,000 account. I get it. I'm allowed to risk $1,500, and I got to make $1,500. But with that being said, I trade the mini or the micros, and there's no stress, or there's a little stress, but not like it is with the big ones. So if you can get 20 of those, I mean, think about it. You make $100 on one contract, or I mean one for the day, and you have it repeated for the 20 accounts. That's $2,000 for the day, and that's the way I'm leaning, guys. I think it's all money management, and you got to figure out for yourself what works for you, what your risk tolerance is. So anyway, I don't want to ramble. Hope you had, like I said, I hope you had a good trade day. Thanks for watching this far. If you did make it this far, and I will leave a link below if you want to check out Apex and go from there. And what I like about Apex is they run these specials often, and I never pay full price. I did the first time, and that's kind of to get into the system. But once you're in the system, they'll send you emails that go, "Oh, we get 80% off. We get 90% off." That's when you want to buy your next account. You don't want to buy full price. So I never pay full price. Okay. All right. Have a good night. Have a good day, whatever. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Thanks for watching.